This $50 DIY battery pack fix is a lifesaver for millions worldwide. A dead phone can ruin your day, but a simple DIY fix can bring it back to life. We've all been there, stuck with a dead battery, no charger in sight, and a looming deadline. The stress is real, but the solution is surprisingly simple: just a few dollars and some basic tools. In this video, we'll show you how to revive a dead battery pack and get back to your daily routine. So let's get started and discover the secret to extending the life of your batteries. Batteries are a crucial component of our daily lives, powering everything from smartphones to laptops. However, their lifespan is often underestimated, and we tend to take them for granted. But did you know that the average lithium-ion battery loses up to 20% of its capacity after just 100 charge cycles? That's why it's essential to take care of your batteries and extend their lifespan. By following these simple DIY tips, you can breathe new life into your dead batteries and reduce electronic waste. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of DIY battery repairs and make your devices last longer. To start, you'll need a few basic tools, including a soldering iron, a multimeter, and some electrical tape. First, inspect your battery pack for any visible signs of damage or wear. Check for loose connections, corroded terminals, or swollen cells. If you spot any issues, take a closer look and try to identify the root cause. But that's not the strangest part. Some batteries can be revived even after multiple failed attempts. So, what happens when a battery reaches the end of its life cycle? Well, it's not just a simple matter of replacing the battery. It's a complex process that requires some knowledge. For instance, did you know that some batteries contain toxic materials like lead, mercury, or cadmium? When these batteries reach the end of their life, they can pose a significant environmental risk. That's why it's crucial to dispose of them properly and explore eco-friendly alternatives. Even rechargeable batteries have their limitations and can eventually reach the end of their life, which can be reused multiple times. However, even rechargeable batteries have their limitations and can eventually reach the end of their life. So, what can you do to extend the life of your batteries and reduce waste? Here are some simple DIY tips to help you revive a dead battery pack. First, try cleaning the terminals with a soft cloth and some baking soda. This will help remove any corrosion and improve the battery's connections. Next, check the battery's voltage using a multimeter. If the voltage is below the recommended level, it may be time to replace the battery. But before you do, try recalibrating the battery by letting it discharge completely. This will help the battery recover some of its lost capacity and extend its lifespan. Another trick is to store your batteries in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This will help slow down the battery's degradation process and keep it in good condition. By following these simple tips, you can breathe new life into your dead batteries and reduce electronic waste. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and discover the secret to extending the life of your batteries. Remember, a simple DIY fix can make all the difference in the world. By taking care of your batteries, you can reduce electronic waste and help protect the environment. So, the next time you're faced with a dead battery, don't panic, just follow these simple steps and get back to your day. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. By joining our community, you'll get access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes stories, and more. So hit that subscribe button and join the conversation in the comments below. Let us know what you think about these DIY tips and share your own experiences with battery repairs. We'd love to hear from you and learn more about your favorite DIY hacks. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. By spreading the word, you can help others discover the secret to extending the life of their batteries. So go ahead and share this video with the world. Let's make a difference together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.